So here's an example. Consider the set A, which is going to be all E&MU students, and that includes you, and examples of subsets that are proper subsets, meaning they have an element that the set A has at least one element that is not also in one of those sets. You could have B that is all dual enrollment students at E&MU. You could have C being all members of the E&MU football team, and D being the empty set, which is going to be a proper subset of set A because it contains nothing, which is a potential or a subset, and then so the set A definitely has one element in addition to no elements that are in D. Part C, all the members of the E&MU football team, I don't know, a couple of hundred people, and so those 200 guys are not all of the E&MU students. There are E&MU students who are not on the football team, so C is going to be a proper subset. And then the same thing for the dual enrollment students. We definitely have dual enrollment students at E&MU, so that's part of the set of E&MU students. But there are many, many students who are not dual enrollment, and they make it a proper subset. So here's an example of a subset. It is definitely a subset, but it is not a proper subset, and that would be the set A of all E&MU students. And so we would have to write A is a subset of A, but A cannot be shown as a proper subset of A. And then here's another example that is not a subset, and for a different reason, and it's not a subset at all, and that would be all members of the E&MU steel drum band, because I happen to know in the steel drum band we have the director actually plays in the band quite often, and that is Neil Rutland. And he is the director of the band. He is a faculty at E&MU. He is not an E&MU student. So because E has a person in it who is not an E&MU student, this set is not even considered a subset of any kind, proper or regular.